this is the sound. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. I see my table in my hand, just no question. So I was driving me mad. She just sits there throwing a cry. She hasn't had one second ever since her husband died. And this is the sound. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound. This is the sound of the suburbs. This is the sound of the suburbs.
Somewhere near Chick Lane, and there's two lads sitting in this bus shelter with a bottle of white lightning scrumping, and they're sharing an earpiece each from an iPod. And the grass grows long round the bus shelter because no bus has stopped there 15-20 years. But one boy says to the other, "Are you sure the bus is going to come?" So I told you the bus is going to come. It will take us, first of all, for a pint in Swindon, then to London, and we shall become famous punk rock stars. And so the mist comes up, and then the sun is about to come up, and out of the mist comes two headlights. And that is a true story about how the Clash formed.